Manhattan and Brooklyn. Weekly Scoop. The in-between, just like our favorite streaming series, every story has a beginning, an end, and the all-important in-between. In between each monthly scoop, NYC's real estate market continues to churn with transactions. I'm here to keep you in the loop. Expect a concise weekly snapshot of the market's latest moves, straight to the point, just for you. Tarek, a Jamaican developer's grandson, specializes in luxury NYC real estate, and he is an owner of Airbnbs. Tarek enjoys connecting with you and sharing his expertise, as well as utilizing Corcoran's commanding resources and influence to place you in the best possible position to complete a sale or purchase. What questions do you have about real estate? Click to connect weekly. Report. May 24th to 30, 2025 Manhattan. Condos and co-ops sharp weekly. Decline. Manhattan contracts signed dropped 26%, week over week to 201 units, marking the sharpest annual decline in 10 weeks and signaling potential market cooling luxury market struggles. Sales over $5 million fell 17% year over year for the second consecutive week, indicating sustained weakness in the high-end segment that typically drives market sentiment. New development concerns. New development sales have declined year over year every week for 2 straight months, suggesting potential oversupply or pricing resistance in the new construction sector. Resale condo bright spot. Resale condos were the only product type showing annual growth at plus 136%, demonstrating continued demand for existing inventory over new developments. Price point divergence. Lower-priced segments, 1 3 menors, showed 21 to 23% declines, while mid-tier markets, 3 5 men, declined 36%, indicating broad-based softening across price ranges. Stay up to date with AI. The Rundown is the most trusted AI newsletter in the world, with 1,000 plus readers and exclusive interviews with AI leaders like Mark Zuckerberg, Demis Hassabis, Mustafa Suleyman, and more. Their expert research team spends all day learning what's new in AI and talking with industry experts, then distills the most important developments into one free email every morning. Plus, complete the quiz after signing up, and they'll recommend the best AI tools, guides, and courses, tailored to your needs. Sign up to start learning. Weekly Report. May 24 to 30, 2025 Brooklyn. Condos and co-ops Memorial Day. Impact. Brooklyn contracts fell 30% week over week to 71 units, though this decline was attributed to Memorial Day timing rather than fundamental market shifts. Stable year-over-year performance. Despite weekly volatility, Brooklyn maintained relative stability with only a 1% year-over-year decline, outperforming Manhattan's 6% annual drop entry-level resilience. Sales under 1 netters increased 14% annually, while luxury contracts over 1 netters decreased 23%, highlighting a flight to affordability in the current market environment. Geographic activity shifts. Prospect Park area showed the largest nominal increase in activity, suggesting neighborhood-specific demand patterns are emerging. Studio surge. Studio contracts jumped 175% week over week, indicating strong demand for affordable entry-level housing options amid economic uncertainty. All information contained within this document is intended for informational purposes only and is sourced from sources that are considered reliable. Although the information is believed to be accurate, it is presented subject to omissions, errors, modifications, or withdrawal without prior notice. This is not intended to solicit property that has already been listed. Equal housing opportunity.